Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the hoodie inside out so you attack the root where lint anchors. This protects the visible surface. Next, apply a lint roller in short, firm passes. Why? Because adhesive lifts loose fibers without stretching fabric. For stubborn areas, press sticky tape and lift repeatedly. Make sure to work on a flat table. It keeps seams taut. Once done with the inside, flip it back to assess visible pills before moving to deeper fabric tools. You now focus on pills and trapped fuzz. Hold the hoodie taut and sweep a fabric comb or electric pill shaver across tiny sections. This cuts bulbous pills without tearing fibers. Move in the garment's knit direction to avoid snagging. Why? Because opposing strokes create new pills. If using a pumice stone, rub lightly and lift lint into your hand and a trash tray. Once a patch looks smooth, brush it with a soft clothes brush to realign the nap. You finish by flipping the hoodie right side out and giving it a final soft brushing to blend fibers and restore texture. Then, wash on a gentle cycle inside out and use a low spin or short program. This reduces future pilling by minimizing abrasion. If lint returns, use a dryer sheet briefly to reduce static and attract loose fibers. Troubleshooting. If snags or holes happen, stop and trim loose threads flush. Do not pull.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.